fluid art friends. This is Doris at DF Designs. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my part in the collaboration with some other artists, and we're all using the same thing. So the star of the show is AstroGlide. I have got I'm going to do 5 flip cups. I've got 10 colors here. I've got Creative Inspirations Crimson. What was this one? Nathal Red Medium, Vermilion, Azo Yellow Deep, I forgot what the two, Permanent Green Deep and Permanent Green Light, Windsor Blue, and Manganese Blue, and Permanent Blue Violet, which is more purple, and then Ultramarine Violet, light, and then I'm going to be mixing black. But first, I'm going to be putting 1 drop in each cup and mixing it. So I'm going to speed up through this. I'm going to put this one in the middle, and I hope that I have enough paint in each cup. That was the blue combination, and the purple combination. Now I'm going to do the yellow, which is starting, I knew it was going to happen. It's starting to turn green already. Okay, let me even them out a little bit. Tapping them. I'll get some wild cells, I can tell you that right now. So let's flip this first one. Of course, I didn't get enough paint down here. So I'll just drag some. Okay, there's cup number one. Now let's do the blue one. Drag some. I didn't know I was going to have to do that. Now we're going to do the purple one. Is that, yeah, that's the purple one over here. Yeah, see, got to drag. Yep, I'm getting that greenish in here. Okay, and last but not least, my red one. See, now this one's trying to go everywhere but where I want it to. Okay. Before I torch, I'm going to do some tilting back and forth. Just to cover up any bare spots. Okay, I am going to have to go from side to side a little bit. I see one spot right there that needs to be closed up. I see another spot over here that needs to be closed up. Let me put just a little bit of paint right there to get the paint to go there. Okay, got that covered. I see a couple of spots over here that need to get some more paint to run into it. So let me try doing it this way. Ah, there we go, it's filling in. Okay, let me try going this way now to get it down here. Kind of walking it a little bit. Okay. Just smearing a little bit of the paint over the white spot, which will then give it like a slippy slide for the rest of it to go that way. Okay, there we go. Okay, I can see I need a little bit more paint to go on that, so let's try doing this. Yeah. It needs a little bit more paint over there. But now the purple side is getting skinny, so I may not get them all even. Thank you for coming out and watching. I hope you enjoyed watching all of us today. We just thought we would do something fun with the AstroGlide. So, all I can say is, bye for now. I love you, Bentley. Wink, wink.